Hey guys, so I just can't put this off anymore. I've been really meaning to go through these drawers, and I finally have a full day off where I am not sick. I'm feeling normal and I've gotten a lot of stuff done already for the house. So I need to do this because I'm gonna just keep putting it off and I can't fit anything else in these drawers. So let me show you what drawers I'm talking about. They're the drawers underneath my desk. My desk actually looks like a hot mess too because I can't fit anything else in these drawers, and I need to be able to fit things in these drawers. So I need to go through everything and organize everything much better and figure out how I'm gonna do it. So I think Mantis is gonna help us too. Right, kitty? Kitty cat? Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is my very messy desk that you guys usually see behind me. But these are the drawers here I'm talking about. This is just like a Rubbermaid. Let me see if I can find what brand. Oh no, it's a Sterilite little like container here. So in this drawer I have a ton of sample products. So this is gonna be the first drawer that I'm gonna go through, and I'm just gonna pull it out because I need to be able to go through everything. So these are literally just all samples I have collected throughout time, and I need to go through it because I can't fit anything else in this drawer. Kitty, what are you doing under there? Kitty cat. This is my next drawer here. These are all full-size items. I definitely need to go through this drawer as well because there's some items in here that I need to take on the cruise with me. And this is all like my face masks, stuff like that. So I need to go through this drawer. And then my last drawer is my top drawer. This is all of my items that I've gotten in subscription boxes. So whether it be BoxyCharm, Ipsy, Sephora, or Birchbox, these are all the products here. Maybe not all of them because I have pulled out quite a few of them and used them and, you know, whatever. But I need to go through this as well because this is just too much. So let's go through all this. None of these items are going to count in my inventory numbers for this year of 2018. These are all going to go towards my inventory numbers of 2019 because I don't foresee myself using any of these items before the year is up because I have other samples I need to get through first. I told you he was going to help us. But I'm going to spin you guys around, put you guys on a blanket, and organize myself and my life because I need to do that. Oh, he's always helping. Kitty, please don't burn yourself on the candle. Look how close he is. He always makes me nervous. There's a couple kitty shots for you. Huh, Mantis? Huh, Mantis? You do go key. It's a cat dog. Okay, anyways, on to this mess right here. You guys, I don't even know where to start with all of this. I really don't. I just know it needs to be organized better and I need to figure out my life right now. So I'm half tempted to just throw it back in there because I'm already overwhelmed with it, but I think I'm just going to separate it into bathroom items. So anything I can use in the bathroom as in hair care, shower items, anything like that, makeup items, and then perfume. I'll probably have to do a skincare category as well. I don't know. I'm like super overwhelmed right now. So I'm gonna walk away for a minute, grab a glass of water, and come back to this. Okay guys, so I just made a decision. I am going to put all of my perfume samples in a bag. I'm going to do hair care or bathroom items, anything I can use in the bathroom, or in the shower, I guess, in that green bin. In this bin here, I'm going to do skincare, and then I have another bin over there, and I think I'm going to do makeup in that other bin. So anything any lip products, any primers, anything like that that can be considered makeup is going to go in there. I'm not going to separate out foam packets or, you know, the foil packets, because I'm just going to separate them into hair care, skincare, stuff like that. So let's do this. I'm already super overwhelmed and stressed out. So let's just do this. Okay, you guys, so here we are, somewhat organized. We have foil packs of shower items there, all my Tubi shower items here, makeup item, oh no, skincare in there. That's a huge bin of skincare. Makeup items here, and then this is just one little mask here, and then I finally have a bundle of perfume samples. So that is what that drawer looks like, all organized. Now I don't know if I'm going to put it back or if I'm going to add the other drawers in and make one drawer like a skincare drawer, the next drawer, you know, a makeup drawer, stuff like that. I'm not really sure, so I'm going to put you guys on hold and figure it out. So I have officially decided I'm going to put all of the stuff from this bin, that was the top one, into all this and make it one. So let's do that. These are all of my bins. Some of them are full sizes, but I'm just gonna go with it. So this bin and this bin are all makeup items, most of them sample sizes. This bin is all of my hair care and body care items and anything I can use in the shower, like scrubs and stuff. This is all of my perfumes. These are all of the palettes. These are a bunch of face masks. This is a bunch of the foil packets, or all the foil packets that I can use in the shower. These are all skincare items, lotions, stuff like that. And also these are all skincare items as well. So, holy shit, I have a ton, sorry to swear, but seriously though, I think I'm gonna put these eye masks in with the regular face masks. So, yeah, that's a lot. This was literally all just like sitting in my drawer and I didn't know what to do with it. So that's where we are right now with those two drawers. And then I have a bunch of tools here that I haven't gotten out yet. Just a bunch of brushes and sorry, I don't know if you can see that, a bunch of brushes that I haven't opened up yet, and a tweezer. So I have those as well. Holy crap, I have so much stuff, it's not even funny anymore. Okay guys, so this is my final drawers. I know this has been like a hot mess video, but whatever. These are all of the makeup items that I have, palettes, I don't know, everything. Sample sizes, full sizes, things I bought from Sephora, things I bought from Ulta, things I bought from everywhere. Yeah, looking at this and seeing things that are probably going to be going bad like within the next year is making me not want to buy anything. So I'm really glad that I did this. My next drawer up, this is all skincare. So clearly this is a very big drawer. I have a lot of face masks there, and this whole entire bin is face masks. So I want to get through this whole bin in the year of 2019. I still have a few to get through in the year of 2018 that I need to finish up. But either way, I have tons and tons of skincare samples, lotions, full-size products, stuff like that. I have literally tons of things. So I need to get through all of these. A lot of them are name brand. Some of them are just off brands. Some of them that I've really been wanting to try, like this. So this is a big bin, big huge bin that I need to get through. Oop. Let's not break it, Callie. And then the final area, this one's a little bit more organized. This is all of my perfume samples, and I'm going to keep my perfume samples in this drawer because it's a little bit more organized. These under here are all of my foil packet samples of shower items, so anything that can be used in the shower. These are full-size items here, and here these are a couple dry shampoos and a face wash and a shaver that I'm not going to use yet. And what is this? Sea salt bath soap, so maybe I'll do that soon. And then these are, almost all of them here are sample sizes of hair care stuff and shower stuff, mostly hair stuff to be totally honest, but some like body washes and things like that. This is a wet skin moisturizer. I'm probably going to try to use this before I go on my cruise. But yeah, I have, actually I'm going to take that out right now. I have a lot of stuff in there that needs to be used up. So these are my items that I want to get used up in the year of 2019. And hopefully we can get there. I still have 3 more months worth of boxes to get through. So I think after that I might be canceling all of my subscription services because this is way too much shit to get through. Excuse my language. I'm so sorry, but seriously though, this is a lot. Okay. Anyways. Whew. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little impromptu video and seeing all of my stuff because I have a ton of things that I just need to use, and I don't know why I keep buying more when I have more than enough, and I need to not spend money on more makeup because I'm good. Like truly, I'm good. I think the only thing I'm going to pick up is the Hourglass palette, which you guys know I already want, and I'm going to be taking the other one on the cruise with me because I've thought about it a lot and I'm just really, really excited to take that one on the cruise with me. But I think that's all I'm going to be picking up from the Sephora VIB sale that's coming up. Hopefully it comes up. If not, then I won't be picking up anything. But as far as skincare, hair care, makeup stuff goes, I really don't need anything. And I don't think I'm going to buy anything. I was going to use a ton of my Ulta points for stuff, but I don't think I'm going to. I don't need to, and I think doing that is going to be very wasteful for me. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me organize, even though it was kind of a hot mess type of style and I got really stressed out. But yeah, all right, love you guys. Bye.